Hey guys, I know I look crazy. Don't worry about that right now, but I wanted to stop this video and basically answer a question that I'm asked all the time, which is how do I get my eyeshadows to pop? Or how do I get the best color payoff from my eyeshadows? And that's why I look ridiculous right now, because it's a kind of a process. Hi, I'm Nia Tara, the image expert, and I'm going to share these 3 things with you that should guarantee color payoff every single time in 3 easy and quick steps. Number 1, if you are not using a base or a primer, that's your problem. Number 2, it's always great when using a white base because it serves as a blank canvas, so you are able to get that awesome color payoff whenever you're ready. Number 3, make sure you're getting the best quality products. That does not mean the most expensive. Here I have an example of a drugstore brand. I got this from Ulta. All of her palettes, I believe, are usually around $15, give or take. This is Juvia's Place. This is the Zulu by Juvia's palette. She's at Ulta, or you could just go online. But basically, these are the colors I have on today. Using this palette, that pink, that yellow, that orange. And as you can see, I'm getting a color payoff because number 1, I swatch. I make sure that they feel creamy, that they're not falling off. Sometimes you gotta swatch them against your skin. Then sometimes I even blow just to see if it's gonna stay. Because some eyeshadows, even if you blow them, they'll just blow away, and that's not the eyeshadow that's going to give you color payoff. Trust me, honey. Thanks again for watching this video on how to get the best color payoff for your eyeshadow. I can't wait to finish this look. Like this video if this was helpful for you, and comment below if you have any more questions when it comes to beauty or lifestyle. As always, it's Nia Tara, the image expert, and I will see you soon. Mwah.
Hey guys, Editing Nia here, and I wanted to come and let you guys know that the end of the video footage is just nowhere to be found. I cannot find me getting the skeleton together to save my life, so my apologies, but the point is still the point. I helped you guys to get that color poppin', as well as gave you a little bit of Halloween inspo, because Halloween really is right around the corner. Alright, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. Also, another reminder that every Monday is Makeup Monday.